What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle and we are here talking everything about finance. As young kids, we've been told by our parents to put a portion of our salary into a savings account every single month. So as much as that's valuable information or teaches us how to start saving, it doesn't really go very far, because if you are doing that right now, you are losing money. Inflation alone in 2021 was 6.8%. So if you are not making interest of 6.8% with your savings, you are losing money. The average bank is giving you 0.01, or if you're lucky, 0.02% interest a year. So if you invest, let's say $1,000 over the next 5 years, you're going to make a whopping $1 worth of interest over 5 years. Looking at that, obviously that is not working out well. So obviously now we've got to find better ways to make our money grow, and this is what this channel is going to be all about. One of my biggest passions is the stock market, and once I understood it and I realized how much of potential there was out there, I started investing. The S&P 500, for example, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US, had an average over the last 100 years 10% in returns. So if you use that same $1,000 investment and invest it into the S&P 500 over the next 5 years, you would see approximately $600 in returns potentially. Obviously this doesn't sound a lot because it's 5 years, but consider that you've only invested $1,000. If you keep investing more, compounding that interest, you will be very successful. Overall, guys, I have loads of information to share with you. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be posting up a video every single week, putting out as much information out there for you guys to help you make better financial decisions. This was just a quick, short, brief introduction into what my channel is about and where we can go further with this into our investment journey. I hope you liked it. I'll see you guys next week.